Flamingo chef, show us what you got with cocktails and dishes that hit the sweet spot.
Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo Chef. Are you like me? Do you like to shop at Sam's and Costco? Man, I love buying stuff in bulk, but there's some things that just don't work out well sometimes, especially produce. Well, these oranges are at that point where I've got to do something with them, or they got to go in the trash. And that's why I want to show you yet another great attachment that you should have for this thing. These three white plastic parts are the citrus juicer attachment. And watch how cool this is. You take the pin out, put the big piece and this piece through it, right into the locking mechanism until it locks in place. Lock it down. And then this is a pulp strainer. So if you want juice with no pulp, you're going to use this. If you don't care, leave it out. But we'll show you how it works. All you got to do is put something underneath it. I'm going to use a glass because it's that simple. Cut these oranges into halves. Got my oranges cut in half. And all I got to do is make some juice. Just turn this thing on. It's literally that easy, and it works with any citrus fruit. So you can squeeze fresh squeezed lemon juice or lime juice or grapefruit juice for your bar, orange juice for breakfast, whatever it is. Man, what a great gadget. And it's really cheap. Once again, if there's something you'd like me to cook, something you'd like me to make, something you'd like me to review for the kitchen, shoot me a line, bill@kansasflamingochef.com. Check out the website, kansasflamingochef.com. Eat fabulous. Buy attachments for your KitchenAid. They matter. We'll see you on the next one.
In the heart of Kansas, under sky so clear, lives a chef with a flair, bringing folks some cheer. With a pinch of love and a dash of zest, he's the Kansas Flamingo, and his meals are the best.